Welcome to my channel. Brother INKvestment Tank MFC-J5855DW Setup. Step 1. Unpack the printer. Take the Brother MFC-J5855DW out of the box and remove all protective tapes, stickers, and packing materials. Place the printer on a flat and stable surface. Step 2. Load the paper. Pull out the paper tray and adjust the paper guides to fit your paper size. Load a stack of plain paper and slide the tray back into the printer. Step 3. Connect the power. Connect the power cable to the printer and plug it into a wall outlet. Press the power button and wait for the printer to start. Step 4. Install the ink. Open the ink access area and install the supplied ink cartridges into their matching color slots. Make sure each cartridge clicks securely into place. Step 5. Set up the printer screen. Follow the instructions on the touch screen to select your language and set the date and time. Continue through the initial setup prompts. Step 6. Check the print quality. Print the initial quality check page and look at the colors, text, and lines. If anything looks faded or uneven, use the printer's cleaning option. Step 7. Adjust print alignment. If the printer asks you to perform alignment, follow the instructions on the screen. Proper alignment helps produce sharper text and cleaner prints. Step 8. Connect to Wi-Fi. Open the network settings on the printer and select your wireless network. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully and wait for the connection to complete. Step 9. Install Brother software. On your computer, download the appropriate Brother software and drivers. Follow the installation instructions and select the wireless connection option when prompted. Step 10. Print a test page. Once everything is installed, open a document and send it to the MFC-J5855DW. A successful test print confirms that your printer is ready to use. Thanks for watching.